Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to right click without a mouse on a HP Compaq 250 laptop. I'm gonna show you the trackpad and the screen so you can see both. Just like that. Now I'm gonna move my cursor over here so you can see it. And there are two ways to do it. Either tap with two fingers on the touchpad and it works, or instead you can click on the bottom right corner, but click, not just tap, and it will also work. If any of those methods doesn't work for you, that may be because they are disabled in the settings. So let's go to settings, then go to Bluetooth and devices, then touchpad, taps, and now you can enable either of those two options, so either the tap with two fingers to right click or press the bottom right corner of the touchpad to right click. If they are checked, they are enabled, and now you can see they work. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.